Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to be anonymous on LinkedIn. So in order to do that, you have to disable these few options. I will show you where you find them. Go over to your profile picture and then select Settings and Privacy. Click on that. It will take you to this page where it shows you this settings menu. You have to click on Visibility. Now you can see this visibility of your profile and network menu, and all you have to do is to click on these profile viewing options. Now this is what others will see. So when you have selected private mode, which is what you want if you want to be anonymous, then they will only see this. If you select private profile characteristics, they will see someone on LinkedIn. And if you select your name and headline, they will see exactly who you are. So in order to be anonymous, click on private mode. This is how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.